Today we are giving this 3.5L Prado a major service. Let's take a look at the materials. Ohm coolant, fuel filter, fuel injector cleaner, 6 OEM spark plugs, front and rear differential fluid, dedicated transfer case fluid, 75 West power steering fluid, alternator belt, OEM brake fluid, transmission fluid filter, and the gasket next to it, dedicated KDSS fluid, oil filter, and replacement drain plug gaskets, engine air filter, imported OW to O engine oil, cabin air filter. Before we start working, we need to wash its undercarriage. There's too much mud. We have finished washing the undercarriage. Now we will begin the work. Let's take a look at the engine bay first. Big V6. Open the radiator cap. The air filter is so dirty. Now we lift the car and drain the oil. Engine oil. Remove the oil filter. I'm replacing the drain plug gasket with a new one. Look at the old one. It's deformed. Front differential fluid. See how black it is. Draining transfer case fluid. Transmission fluid. This is the rear differential fluid. We found a problem. This rear differential drain plug. Normally it should have a magnetic tip on it. It is a 24mm nut. Turns out this was replaced and sealed with silicone and wrapped with Teflon tape. We can see silicone is applied all over here. This is the transmission fluid filter. Let's take a look at the sludge on the transmission oil pan. So dirty. Let's clean it up. We have already cleaned the oil pan. Nice and shiny. Now we replace it with a new gasket. This is the old gasket. This is the new transmission fluid filter. Look at the filter media inside. Clean the surface. Someone in my comments section said, removing this oil pan will definitely cause leaks. I was wondering, why would it leak? Clean the surface thoroughly. Replace the transmission oil pan gasket with an OEM one. It definitely won't leak, rest assured. We are replacing all the drain plugs with new gaskets. old ones. Now we will add the differential fluid. What we are adding is the transfer case fluid. Now we are draining the coolant from the engine block. We can take a look. Reach in from here. There is a drain valve inside. Let's take a look at the old fuel. The fuel flowing out of the filter. It's as black as muddy water. Look at this. If such dirty fuel enters the fuel injectors, will it clog the injectors' own fuel filter? Adding fluid. Now we are pouring KDSS fluid. To bleed KDSS fluid, we apply pressure from here, then loosen this screw, and this screw by 2.5 turns. Now we first build the pressure up to 5 bars, then start bleeding. Now we are bleeding the fluid. The pressure will drop slowly, but don't let it drop to 0. Keep the pressure in the middle. Now we are bleeding the upper chamber. After bleeding the upper chamber, bleed the lower chamber. This here is the rear accumulator. Then we bleed the top and then the bottom. You just let him remove the belt. Let's take a look at the new belt. Let's compare the old and the new OEM belt. Now we are preparing to replace the spark plugs. Mark it with red paint. 2, 3. Toyota Prado 7GR engine. The original OEM spark plug model should be FK20 HR11, and its tip has 3 ground electrodes. The previous one used was this type. The customer reported high fuel consumption. We tighten the spark plugs to a torque of 18 Newton meters. Now we remove the throttle body to clean it. I've never seen such a dirty throttle body before. It's too dirty. Wow. The throttle body is cleaned, nice and shiny. Air filter. Adding coolant. Add from this pipe first. Get the second jug. SPOW20 GF6A engine oil. Golden color. Power steering fluid. Extracting the old power steering fluid. Remove the reservoir and wash it. The reservoir is clean and shiny. Power steering fluid. Adding new fluid while extracting the old fluid. Today we are replacing the brake fluid. Extract the old fluid first. Brake fluid. Pump. Wow, the brake fluid is so black. Pump. Pump. This is also very black, almost done. The method for checking Toyota Prado transmission fluid level. The fluid temperature should be between 45 and 56 degrees Celsius. Right now it's 53 degrees. Then shift through the gears. Pause for 1 second in each gear. Okay, this is good. Then drain the excess transmission fluid from the overflow hole. When the transmission fluid drips drop by drop like this, the transmission fluid level is normal. Dedicated grease for the drive shaft. Greasing the rear. As for this drain plug, this black ring in the middle, we are replacing it with a brand new OEM1. Can absorb worn iron shavings. Now we are adding rear differential fluid. I'm torquing the drain plug to 49 Newton meters. This 3.5L Prado has finished its major service. Next, we'll drive it to get the interior and exterior cleaned. The car has been washed clean. We also clean the engine bay. We can notify the customer to pick up the car and pay.